Look at that, folks. Oh, yeah. Big old piece of beef. Look, two more big old pieces of beef. Heck yeah.
Don't forget the mushrooms.
Oh, yeah. Here
Put a
comes some
couple on
mushrooms.
top.
Throw it all around the pan. Just let the pan eat it, and I'll throw oil on it. It'll be good. I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, I'm going to throw olive oil on your mushrooms so they sizzle, sizzle.
There you go.
All right. You want onions on this too or no?
Oh, that's up to you.
Whatever you want.
We got onions in the pot over there. Good. You can take some of them off, put it on your steak. Heck yeah. Yeah, just
Dash.
a dash all the way around it. Since that's many, yeah, there you go. That's a lot. That's a hell of a lot. Now
Too much?
shit's, yeah, shit's gonna be flying out and catching fire now.
Dump some out. Dump some out.
It's alright.
It's okay, Pat.
I'm a chef. I'll get it done. Just a little dash. It's okay.
He said a dash, and you're like, fucking a whole dash.
It's gonna burn the steaks a little.
Oh my God.
It's all good. I'm not taking them off.
Hey, listen, that beef.
Just like this red stripe, it's not getting wasted. It's gonna be good. This has been another Cooking with Pat, and yes, Pat loves cooked steak. Oh yeah, that side's done. That side's done. The olive oil did that. I was thinking 1 to 2 teaspoons. But oh well. Help in the kitchen's always appreciated. Sometimes. All right. One last glance. Stir this shit again. Oh yeah. Alfredo noodles with steak. Fried green tomatoes for dessert. The good stuff. Thank you all for tuning in. This has been another episode of Cooking with Pat.